Comparing 3 cafes. Introduction. This research report aims to compare and contrast 3 cafes in size, atmosphere, prices, menu, staff, and service. The 3 cafes in this report are the cafeteria in Building H, the cafeteria in Building E, and my favorite cafe. Size and atmosphere. The sizes of the 3 cafes vary. The cafeteria in Building H is extremely big in comparison to the much smaller cafe in Building E, whereas my favorite cafe is the smallest of the 3. The atmosphere of all 3 cafes varies also. The cafeteria in Building H is a little noisy and busy, similar to the cafe in Building E. However, my favorite cafe is quiet and calmer. The cafeteria in Building H has 22 tables and 85 seats. In contrast, the cafe in Building E only has 4 tables and 16 seats, a much smaller area for people to sit. In comparison, my favorite cafe has only 3 high chairs, no tables, but a bench for people to sit at. Prices. Building E and Building H have similar prices concerning coffees, sandwiches, and muffins. The large coffees in both cafes are $4.50 and small coffees at $4. The biggest difference is the menus, with only the cafeteria in Building H offering hot food. My favorite cafe has the same prices but only offers coffee. Menu. Building H offers cakes, sandwiches, and a wide selection of hot food, all reasonably priced. However, Building E only offers cookies, muffins, and toasted sandwiches. My favorite cafe only serves drinks but no food, but a huge variety of hot drinks. Staff and service. The 3 cafes have kind, friendly staff and good service. Building H and Building E have different numbers of staff, with Building H having 13 staff whereas Building E only has 2 staff. My favorite cafe has 10 staff, all efficient and friendly. Conclusion. Which I would recommend. All 3 cafes have a lot to offer, with a menu which is good for students, not too expensive. But the TAFE cafes are very noisy and quite busy, while my favorite cafe I would recommend because it has a better atmosphere and quieter.